Hello lovely people, how are we all doing out there? I hope everybody is fine and dandy and living the best life you can at this moment. What have I got for you today? Well, I was going through my beauty boxes and I got these in March's Pip box. What are they? They are raw organic cotton cleansing wipes and I thought I'd share them with you. Now, what's so exciting about these cleansing wipes? Well, they're 100% cotton. They're 20.1% aloe vera, organic aloe vera. They are 2% natural origin moisturiser, whatever that may be. They're 0.13% organic green tea leaf. There's no parabens, no SLSs, no fragrance and no colour. So they're super nice, super natural. They are cruelty free. But what makes these stand out from other face wipes is the fact that they claim to be a 4-in-1 face wipe. They claim to take off your makeup, cleanse your face, tone your face and moisturise. 4-in-1. Clean, cleanse, tone, moisturise. Could it be possibly true that these little face wipes could do all of that and do a good job and make me think, I don't need to put the rest of my skincare on and I don't need to double wash my face, because you know how I like to double wash my face. So if you'd like to find out if these face wipes actually do what they say on the packet, then I need you to give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the High Def family. Of course, you can hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, and it'd be great if you could share this video so more people can find out whether these are worth the cotton they're made from. Okay, let's get into the video. So these wipes are $2.99 for 25 wipes and they are dermatologically tested. They're suitable for sensitive skin. You're now holding a quick and effective way to cleanse, tone and moisturise and refresh your skin while gently removing makeup. They are suitable for removing waterproof makeup and they are bursting with fresh aloe vera and green tea to soothe and purify while containing moisturiser to keep the refreshing tonic locked into your skin. So let's just start with, let's get these lashes off. And that one was fine, but this one has been poking me in the eye because I obviously didn't put it on quite right. My poor little eye's okay. As I said in my Pip video, my favourite face wipes of all time are by the brand Seacret. They're $19.99 and they have Dead Sea minerals in them and they are amazeballs. They definitely make my skin feel like I don't need to do anything to them afterwards, and I love them. But they're $19.99. So if I can find a replacement wipe, I will be so happy. These smell like, I just had amaretti biscuits. They smell like amaretto. They literally smell like amaretti biscuits. I just had one the other day when we were having dinner for my husband's birthday with his nan and aunt. We got little amaretti biscuits with our hot drinks. I know what they smell like. Okay, they look like this. They're rectangles. They're smaller than average wipes. They look like nice tissues that have been soaked in something or other. So, shall we do a speed up version? Because this is a mini review after all. So the face cleaning is over. Don't I look just gorgeous? No. So this is all the dirt on my face. I almost thought I was going to get away with not using both sides, and I think I didn't use one square on the other side because that is what I do with most of my face wipes. I have to say, when you seal this back up, I hope you can see that, it has a really big sealing area so that you can easily make sure that your wipes are going to stay moist, which is really good. I didn't notice that at first and I'm really impressed because you can see I pulled out two and you can see it's lumpy and bumpy, but it's totally sealed in there and they aren't going to dry out at all. How did it feel? Everything felt fine. The only thing that was a problem for me is getting eyelash glue off my eyelashes, and it did make them a tiny bit red, but I think that was more repeated rubbing because they don't sting. They feel fine. I feel like my face is so clean. So now I'm taking one of my Liqueur wipes, which is what, 1.5 times the size? And we're going to find out. Every time. me miss a bit. Honestly, I swear, I really go over it a lot. I just did just a general wipe down the middle of my face there, and how could I have missed anything there? I mean, it's not tons, but there's still residue on my face. Nothing passed the test, does it? All these products lie to me. Oh dear. Oh, it's so disappointing. I always want a face wipe to win. It's annoying when they don't. I guess you could say you could take the makeup off with this one and finish up with that one, because this is supposed to cleanse, tone and moisturise. But then this does say it's going to clean your makeup and do it all in one easy step, which it didn't do. It didn't do it, did it? Because otherwise I wouldn't still have makeup on my face. Maybe it means you have to go over it with a second wipe. But if I have to go over it with a second wipe, what is any difference between me using this and me using this? These are like £1.29 for 25. These are £2.99 for 25. These definitely better for the world, environment, that kind of thing. Although I know I've just gone over my face again. My skin felt okay, but it didn't feel like I didn't need to put a moisturiser on, to be honest. Maybe it's just because I'm so used to putting moisturiser on, and I do feel a bit funny. Like, if I don't moisturise my whole body, I feel really weird. So it could be just personal to me that I feel like I needed to put a moisturiser on. But definitely on my lips, I definitely need something. Are these high def approved? If you want something that smells nice, feels nice, is gentle on your eyes, is good for the environment, then yes, these are nice, and £2.99 isn't horrific for face wipes, not by a long shot. If you want something that's going to guarantee to get every bit of makeup off, you're going to have to use 2. Is that a big problem? Well, for me, using 2 is just like double cleansing anyway. Why not just do that? Or use a product I can single cleanse with. I don't know, I just thought it would get it all off. But maybe I was being a bit ambitious to get it all off in one wipe. It did look like I'd done so well. It doesn't say use 2 wipes, but I guess you can use 2 wipes. I don't know. I guess I'm still looking for the wipe that does it all in one. And as long as there's a wipe out there, the Seacret wipes, which for me got all my makeup off in one go, then no other makeup wipe is going to compare, basically. So are these nice? Yes. Will I keep using them? Yes. I prefer these definitely to any other cotton face wipe that I've used, so I definitely recommend them on that front. So if you are watching the pennies, then you might as well use 2 of these ones that are like half the price, rather than using 2 of these ones. If you can afford something like this, then go for it, because these are nice. They feel nice on your skin. If you are not a moisturise fiend, then you may get away without moisturising, but probably I would say you do need to moisturise afterwards. But they're not bad. They're not painful. They got the makeup off. They got the waterproof eyeliner off. One thing I will say about them is that they got the eyelash glue off in about 1/3 of the time than these ones did. So these ones are going to be more gentle on your eyes, because repeated rubbing, as we all know, is rubbish for our eyes. We don't want to do that. So I have to say I will be probably using them for that purpose. I could even cut them in half and do that, actually, to be honest. So this is not my holy grail face wipe, but the search continues. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until we see each other again, I hope that you live every moment well and take care of yourself. Bye guys.